My name is Charita Powell. I'm a Philadelphian. I own Amazulu in the Reading Terminal Market. I've been designing for the last 17 years. I was inspired by a more global influence as far as my artistry. So I'm mixing the African culture, the Caribbean culture, and also the Asian culture together. Reading Terminal was a place that was part of my childhood. Probably my earliest memories is about 4 or 5 there with my mom and my grandmom. We're blocks away from City Hall, the African American Museum, and also the Jewish Museum. So I think that the location is a key point in downtown Philadelphia. If they keep going in that direction and stay on the diversity part of it, I think that they will be very successful.